Hi friends, I am Tilak and you are watching Tech Made Me Unique. How to add the extra column on your WPS Office writer. So you can easily add a column on the right side or left side by using this particular option. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So how to add a new column on your table in WPS Office Writer? It's easy actually. Just click where you just want to add a column. So I just right click here. You can see an option called insert, and you can see an option called column to left or right. You can choose you want to insert a column on the left side or right side. So I just need to insert a column left side. You can see, so this is the name, this is the content, and I haven't inserted the column left side. So I just need to right side insert. Click on the right click on the mouse, then go to the insert option and insert the column right side. By this option you can insert the column right side or left side according to your use. So it's easier to make a column on the left side or last of the table or first of the table easily. So I think this video helped you a lot. If it really helped you a lot, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button below. And if you want more content about the WPS Office Writer, you just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak. I am signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.